Many individuals have a tendency to think of facelifts, thread lifting, and other procedures as being similar because they all involve lifting. However, in reality, they are quite different. Hello, I am Dr. Hong Jung-hyun from Presnica. For those of you who are considering sagging facelifting procedures, such as thread lifting or facelift, you may be wondering whether to observe the situation during thread lifting or just proceed with a facelift. First and foremost, thread lifting has no downtime and is relatively simple, making it convenient even for busy professionals. With these advantages, if thread lifting scores 90 out of 100, do you really need to undergo a facelift surgery? And are there many hospitals that offer it? Please let me know your thoughts. If facelift surgery were consistently superior, who would opt for thread lifting? There is no definitive answer as to which is better, but rather, what is more suitable for each individual. Today, I will explain the disparity between facelift and thread lifting, two techniques for lifting sagging faces. In simple terms, thread lifting is a non-surgical procedure, while facelift surgery is an invasive surgical intervention. Thread lifting, as a non-surgical technique, involves the insertion of dissolvable medical threads with tiny spikes beneath the skin to lift and tighten, whereas facelift surgery entails lifting the skin by pulling and excising excess skin after making incisions in the skin and fascia. When you manually lift your face with your hands, the skin tightens and elevates, similar to the mechanism of thread lifting. However, during consultations, clients often desire the same degree of lifting as with thread lifting. But it is important to note that thread lifting primarily targets the skin and fat layer. When medical lifting threads with small spikes are used to pull the skin, certain tissues are pulled along, but they also encounter the opposing force of elasticity, which strives to return to its original state. Hence, the ability to withstand this force is crucial. If there is loose or wrinkled skin, solely relying on thread lifting to lift it may not yield effective results. On the other hand, facelift surgery addresses the underlying cause of sagging by lifting both the skin and the smaz layer within the skin, akin to smoothing out a wrinkled cloth. This surgical procedure not only lifts the face, but also tightens the skin, and the SMS layer beneath the skin, fundamentally providing a lifting effect like straightening wrinkled pottery. This procedure not only lifts the facial fat, but also tightens the skin, resulting in a lifting effect. The effects of facelift are more certain compared to thread lifting, but it requires longer recovery time and may leave scars. Therefore, if there are slight sagging without wrinkles on the skin, thread lifting may suffice, but for severe sagging and wrinkled skin, facelift will be more appropriate. It's important to choose the procedure based on individual symptoms rather than following a general recommendation. Today, we discussed the methods of lifting sagging faces, facelift, and thread lifting. Did this information help you? If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Alright then, I'll stop here for today. Dr. Hong, goodbye for now.